Okay, the first question we have is find the value of two numbers if their sum is 12 and their difference is 4. So we're going to let x is one number, this is two number, and y is the other number. Okay, so what it's saying is we see that the value of the two numbers is the sum is 12. So what does that mean? We're going to have x plus y equals 12. And the difference, let's look at the difference. And it says and the difference of the two numbers is 4. So it's x minus y equals 4. And that's our system to solve in whatever manner we choose, whether it's graphing, elimination, or substitution. Let's look at number 2. The school that Stefan goes to is selling tickets to a choir performance. On the first day of ticket sales, the school sold 3 senior tickets and 1 child ticket for a total of $38. So let's look at just that one part here. So it says that if it was 3 senior tickets, so we want to call the seniors X, and the child, 1 child ticket, we want to call the child Y. Let's set up that first system. So it will be 3x plus y. And what's the total? $38. Now let's see if we find another system. The school took in $52 on the second day by selling 3 senior tickets and 2 child tickets. So this would be 3 senior, remember senior is the x, plus 2 y, y is the child, and their total was $52. The question is, find the price of the senior tickets and the price of the child ticket. You just solve the system by any way that you would like. We're going to go back and we'll solve them, but we're just setting up the word problems right now. Number three is the state fair is a popular field trip destination. This year the senior class at high school A and the senior class at high school B are planning trips there. So we're going to have two systems. So the senior class A rented and filled 8 vans and 8 buses with 240 students. So A filled 8 vans. We're going to use X for vans and Y for buses. So classroom A filled 8X plus 8Y for buses with 240 students. And high school B, this one, rented and filled 4 vans. So we said the X is the vans. And 1 bus. So we just put Y for 1 with 54 students. Every van had the same number of students in it as did the buses. Find the number of students in each van and in each bus. Now, this part of the tutorial, I just went over how to set up the first 2 questions. The next tutorial, we're going to use whatever method we choose to solve these 3 questions. Now we're going to start with problem number 1. So we already set that problem up on the previous recording, and we have set up as x, sorry, not 8. Let's set up x plus y equals 12. X minus y equals 4. The best way it looks like to solve this is by elimination. We can eliminate the y's, leaving 2x equals 16. So our x equals 8. So since we know x is 8, so we just plug it in one of them. We'll say 8 plus y equals 12. So what would y be? Y would be 4. So the answer is 8, 4 for problem 1.